Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful beanie with this stitch. This stitch might look difficult, but it is pretty easy if you follow my instructions carefully. I am going to use yarn of this color. This is 4-ply yarn. The choice of color depends on you, and a hook of 4.5 mm for this project. So I'm going to begin with slip knot. Now chain. We have to do 56 plus 1 chain. So complete the chains and we will meet again when these chains would be completed. These are 56 chains plus 1 chain. Now into the very next stitch, single crochet 1. Into the next stitch, single crochet 1, single crochet 1 into the next stitch. We have to do single crochet into all the stitches except for the 10 stitches at the top where we are going to do slip stitches. So we completed doing single crochet across the row. Now we are going to do slip stitches into the 10 stitches at the top for the crown of the hat. So slip stitch 1. I'm going to give you a tip here to do all these slip stitches a little loose so that you don't have to struggle in the next row in inserting the hook while doing the stitches. Into the next stitch, slip stitch, into the next stitch, slip stitch. So we have to do 10 slip stitches into all these 10 stitches at the top. Chain 1, flip the work. Now this is the front loop and this is the back loop. We are going to work into all the back loops. So into the 4th stitch, slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we worked into all the back loops for doing these slip stitches. Now put the yarn in the front into both the loops. Insert the hook in, pull through 2, single crochet. Now into the loop of the same stitch, insert the hook from the back. Put this yarn in the front into both the loops of the next stitch. Insert the hook from the back to the front. And now pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all the 3. Into the loop of the same stitch from the back. Insert the hook into both the loops from the back to the front. Pull through all the 3. Into a loop from the back of the same stitch. Insert the hook into both the stitches. Pull through all the 3. Into the loop of the same stitch from the back, put the yarn in the front. Into both the loops of the next stitch. Pull through all the 3. Follow the same pattern and complete the row, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. We completed doing stitches into all the stitches across the row except for the last stitch. Now insert the hook into the loop from the back of the same stitch, and now we are going to do single crochet. Chain 1, flip the work. Into the 4th stitch, insert the hook into both the loops and single crochet. Insert the hook into a loop of the same stitch. Insert the hook into both the stitches of the next stitch, pull through. Into a loop of the same stitch, insert the hook into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through all the 3. Insert the hook into a loop. There are 3 loops, 1, 2 and 3. Into the last loop, insert the hook in. Now insert the hook into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through all the 3. So in this way we have to complete this row except for the last 10 stitches where we have to do 10 slip stitches. So complete the row including all these slip stitches, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. After 2 rows, the pattern is going to look something like this. Now I completed 10 slip stitches, and now I'm going to begin the next row. So put the yarn in the front, insert the hook into both the loops of the first stitch, pull through and single crochet. Insert the hook into a loop from the back. Now insert the hook into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through all the 3. This is half double crochet. Insert the hook into a loop from the back. Now into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through all the 3. So complete the row following the same pattern, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. In this pattern we are just doing half double crochet from the back in a row and half double crochet from the front in the next row, and we are getting the beautiful texture for our beanie. So complete the row and we will meet again when this row would be completed. Now after the end of the row, insert the hook into a loop, and now we are going to do a simple single crochet. Chain 1 into the 4th stitch, single crochet, which is regular single crochet. Insert the hook into a loop of the same stitch into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through all the 3. Into a loop of the same stitch into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through all the 3. So this is basically a 2-row repeat pattern. Follow the instructions carefully and you can easily make this beanie. If you find any difficulty in following the pattern, pause and replay the video and you will get the same texture that I am doing. Now follow the same pattern and complete the beanie to the width you require for your project. The width of the hat that I completed is for about 45 centimeters. I would like to suggest you here to take the circumference of the head for which you are making the hat for the better results. Now cut the yarn from here and we are going to begin sewing these 2 ends. This is the right side of the beanie and this is the wrong side of the beanie. So fold the beanie from the wrong side, and now we are going to begin sewing the two ends. So complete sewing with these simple stitches, and we will meet again when these both ends would be joined. When these two ends are joined, we are going to work on the top of the hat. So do the stitches in the same way and complete the top of the hat, and we will meet again when the top of the hat would be completed. So this is the hat that we have completed. If you wish, you can add a pom-pom on the top of the hat. Thank you so much.